If you are wanting to have a subscribe to blog button on your Squarespace blog, it's a little bit tricky, but it can be done using Squarespace campaigns. Just note Squarespace campaigns is an additional $5 to $25 a month on top of your Squarespace subscription. So we're going to flip the screen. I'm going to show you how to do this. So go into your Squarespace account and you are going to go to marketing and then email campaigns. And then you want to create a new mailing list. And we will title it Blog Subscribers and save it. The next step is to create a footer in your blog post. So ideally, you would use a plugin that has like a sidebar, but that's going to cost you extra money, or a plugin that has like, you can get footer plugins that will be extra money. So I'm trying to save a little bit of money here. So what I'm going to do instead is just manually do it on every blog post. Again, this is less than ideal. But if you're trying to save money, that's the way to do it. So scroll on here. And then let's do some text. Just say something like, if you want blog updates, subscribe. And then you could even put that there. That might be better. All right, so now you have this created, and I would personally suggest getting their name because it is great to optimize emails with their specific name. So we'll change, sign up is fine. Then we're going to require the name field. And then when we go to storage, we don't need that. We're going to add them to the new mailing list, blog subscribers, and then save. So now we have this, and now let's move on to the next step. Okay, now what do we do to actually share this blog post with those people? A couple different ways. You could go to the blog post that you created, click on the three dots, click settings, go to share, create email draft, and it will create an email draft. So if you go to your campaigns, you can go into your drafts and look at that, edit it, make it look however you want, tweak it, and then have it go out to your people. So that's one way you could do it. Another way would be to create like a template in your email that you can use on repeat. So to do that, you go marketing, email campaigns, create. You can use a template or you can do a blank one. We'll just do a share content one. And then you'll just want to make it really clear, this is where you're going to put the compelling header and that type of thing. So while Squarespace doesn't have an RSS triggered email system, you can manually schedule or send blog updates immediately after publishing it. So you can publish a blog post, go to marketing email campaigns, duplicate the blog notification template that you created, and then update it with the new blog post title, that type of thing, snippet. And then you send it to your blog, whatever you titled it, blog updates list or subscribers or whatever you title it, it'll go out to those people. Really quick, I want to touch on, is Squarespace email campaigns worth it? It honestly depends on your desires for your business and what you want your email platform to do. I will say there's obviously a lot of other tools, MailChimp, ConvertKit. I love Flowdesk for multiple reasons. I'll link a post below about why I love it. But the nice thing about Squarespace campaigns is that it keeps everything streamlined with your website. So it doesn't just save you time, but it also ensures that those emails reflect your website design. So again, setting up blog subscriptions in Squarespace might take a little creativity, but it definitely is doable. And with Squarespace campaigns, you can seamlessly integrate that system to notify your audience whenever you publish something new. Let me know if you guys have any other questions about Squarespace email campaigns, anything, and I'd be happy to answer them for you. And if you are currently trying to DIY your Squarespace website and maybe feeling a little bit overwhelmed, join my free 40-minute training. You don't have to be techie. We go over what does a Squarespace website need to convert? So not just people getting on it, but then booking with you. But we'll also go over SEO because search engine optimization is so important. Having your website on the interwebs doesn't do you any good if it's not showing up on page 1 or page 2 of Google. So we'll go through that. And I'm giving you all my best tips and tricks. So click on the link below to sign up, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the training.